Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to view charts for price trends in CoinMarketCap. Navigating the world of cryptocurrencies can sometimes feel like exploring a dense jungle. There are so many coins and trends to keep track of. As a Shopify store owner, you may even be looking into how cryptocurrency can impact your business or how to accept crypto as a payment method. Fortunately, CoinMarketCap provides us a user-friendly interface that makes tracking these trends straightforward and, dare I say, enjoyable. Let's dive in and explore this process together, step by step, so you can make informed decisions about incorporating cryptocurrencies into your business model. First up, we'll need to head over to CoinMarketCap. Grab your preferred device and open up your browser, then type in coinmarketcap.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice it's bustling with an array of data. It's truly the central hub for cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors alike, with real-time market updates, trending coins, and useful tools to make sense of it all. If this is your first visit, don't worry. The site is designed to be intuitive, so you should feel right at home very quickly. And if you're just starting to explore crypto for your business, this is a great place to begin. Now, the website will likely grab your attention, with its neatly organized table showing the top performing coins right there on the main page. This table is updated continuously, so you're always seeing the most up-to-date market data. What we're interested in, though, is a specific coin you want to track. Go ahead and click on the coin of your choice. Perhaps you're watching Bitcoin, the most widely recognized cryptocurrency, or Ethereum, which is known for its smart contracts and decentralized applications. Or maybe you're interested in a lesser-known altcoin like Chainlink or Litecoin, which might be more relevant to certain projects or payment methods. Either way, once you click on the coin, you'll be navigated to that coin's dedicated page, which is packed with detailed information about its performance, market cap, volume, and more. Once you're on the coins page, we want to hone in on the chart section. This part of the site transforms the flurry of numbers and values into a visual representation that we can better analyze and understand. A clear and easy-to-read chart helps you grasp the big picture at a glance, which is especially useful if you're deciding whether to accept that coin in your Shopify store. Look for the tab labeled Chart, which is usually located towards the top of the page, close to the pricing details and historical data sections. Clicking on the Chart tab will open up a graph that displays the historical price trends of the coin. This visual tool is especially helpful as it lets us see the coin's performance over different periods, whether it be a week, a month, or even a year as a Shopify store owner. Understanding these trends is essential, especially if you're considering integrating cryptocurrency into your payment options. This way, you can track price fluctuations and make informed decisions about when to convert or hold your crypto assets. You can manipulate the time frame through an easy-to-use drop-down menu or slider. Adjust these settings according to your analysis needs, whether you're identifying short-term patterns like price spikes after a major announcement, or deciphering long-term trends such as Bitcoin's gradual increase in value over the years. As you adjust these timeframes, you'll get a sense of the coin's volatility, which is especially important for making decisions around crypto payments in your store. For instance, if you're looking at a coin that has a lot of volatility in the short term, it might not be the best option to accept just yet, as the value could fluctuate too dramatically. As you explore these charts, don't overlook additional features. CoinMarketCap often provides options to compare the coin with others or add indicators that can help with more advanced technical analysis. For example, you might compare Bitcoin's price against Ethereum's to see which one has been more stable or profitable recently. Or you might choose to add popular technical indicators, like the Moving Average or Relative Strength Index, RSI, which give deeper insights into price trends and help you predict future movements. These tools can help you strategize not only for your personal crypto investments, but also for how you might incorporate crypto payments into your store effectively. Feel free to experiment with these features to enrich your understanding of the market. So, there you have it. A straightforward way to explore price trends in cryptocurrencies using CoinMarketCap's dynamic charting system. Mastering this tool will not only make you more informed, but also a more strategic participant in the crypto space. This is especially important as more Shopify store owners begin accepting cryptocurrency as a form of payment, allowing you to stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions about the coins you support. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to explore further or ask questions if you're curious about other aspects of cryptocurrency trading or integrating crypto into your Shopify store.